So what's different about Budweiser Select? Good question. First, we start with a blend of the finest hand-selected North American and Bavarian hop varieties picked straight from the vine. Then we take the time to brew Budweiser Select longer. So you get a beer with light beer stats and a distinct bold taste that finishes clean. So why settle for anything less? Be selected.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try.
Love your everyday purchases with Love the Double from Chase.
Just the two of us.
Love them because now they give you double. Double rewards, double cash back, double travel points, double the stuff you love. Love the Double, only from Chase.
Why are you doing this? This is unbelievable. Excuse me. Excuse me. Don't ignore me. I'm talking to you here. I don't even know you. Stop eating.
The babysitter's fine. Did you eat my steak?
A1 steak sauce. Yeah, it's that important.
Would you buy a car without an airbag or a safety belt? Would you?
Put my little brother in a car without his car seat?
Would you put me in a car without OnStar? I wouldn't. I wouldn't.
Hey, Dad, by the time I go to college,
You'll wonder how you ever
Joe without it. Don't wait, Mom. It's the next big step in safety. Who's going to go there first?
Someone should.
Someone should help make sure that safety is designed into our cars and trucks. At GM, we do, because our families ride in them too.
What shape will the alternative vehicle of the future take? Will it be roomy, yet fuel efficient? Will it run cleaner, yet more powerfully? It will, if it's the world's first luxury hybrid, the Lexus RX 400h, the first vehicle of the future you'll want to drive today. See Lexus of Portland.
I'm not what you would call a do-it-yourselfer. Like that time with my new HDTV. Thankfully, to get high-def programming from Comcast, I didn't have to install anything myself. One call and they did the rest. Now I get all these great HD channels, HD TV on demand, even an HD DVR, all without buying any expensive equipment. They really saved me from myself.
That's HD made easy. Comcast. Get an exclusive rebate from Comcast when you buy a Panasonic HD TV from Comcast.Panasonic.com.
The Egyptians built theirs for the dead. The Romans built theirs in an open circle with seats for 20. And Queen Elizabeth I, well, she had one built.
She was too frightened to use it. She said it sounded like a thunderstorm.
The evolution of the bathroom. Plumbing on Modern Marvels. Tonight at 8 on the History Channel. The Egyptians built theirs for the dead. The Romans built theirs in an open circle with seats for 20. And Queen Elizabeth I, well, she had one built.
She was too frightened to use it. She said it sounded like a thunderstorm.
The evolution of the bathroom. Plumbing on Modern Marvels. Tonight at 8 on the History Channel.
We started it, we're ending it. September 30th is your absolute last day to get Chevy employee pricing for everyone on most 05 and 06 full-size trucks. From the family of Chevy trucks, the most dependable, longest-lasting trucks on the road, and the #1 selling cars, trucks, and SUVs in America. Right now, get a 2006 Silverado 1500 regular cab WT for under $16,200. See your local Chevy dealer.
Hey, batter, batter, batter. Hey, batter, batter, batter.
First base, $58. Second base, 630 pesos. Third base, 300,000 yen. Home, priceless. There are some things money can't buy. For everything else, there's MasterCard. Fan of the game, wherever there's a game.
Drambuie and soda, please.
Drambuie is crafted from a recipe kept secret since 1745. Drambuie, taste the secret.
See this little gem? It's trona, a natural versatile mineral. In the earth, the sea, and one of the best natural air fresheners on the planet. Because Trona Refined is Arm & Hammer baking soda, the earth mother of all household deodorizers. In a fridge or freezer, it freshens air. The spill-proof box naturally absorbs odors so food tastes like it should. Replace in 3 months, use to sweeten drains. Not a cover-up. It doesn't even have an odor. Get the shaker, just sprinkle and vacuum. Freshens carpets, sofas, pet places, and dump in kitty litter, diaper pails, garbage pails, store in lunchboxes, coolers. A cup in your wash will deodorize clothes and boost your liquid detergent's cleaning power. Got something stinky? Get Arm & Hammer baking soda. It's like fresh air in a box. There's next to nothing that can't deodorize, naturally. It'll even save you money. Call 1-866-644-SODA or click on. Get lots of money-saving coupons on lots of different Arm & Hammer products. Call 1-866-644-SODA. Call now while you're thinking about it. Or click on armhammer.com.
When it comes to bad cholesterol, has your doctor told you lower is better? Because of recent medical information, your doctor may recommend an even lower cholesterol goal than before.
Going down.
So you've changed your diet, you exercise. But what if you still need a cholesterol medicine? Well, one that can lower bad cholesterol up to 52% is Crestor. Yes, Crestor, along with diet, can lower that cholesterol up to 52%. Is Crestor right for you? That's between you and your doctor. Crestor is not for everyone, including people with liver disease and women who are nursing, pregnant, or may become pregnant. Simple blood tests are needed to check for liver problems. Tell your doctor about other medications you're taking, or if you experience muscle pain or weakness, as they may be a sign of serious side effects. Is your cholesterol really where it needs to be? Ask your doctor about Crestor.
Plumbing on Modern Marbles tonight.
Would you buy a car without an airbag or a safety belt? Would you?
Put my little brother in a car without his car seat?
Would you put me in a car without OnStar? I wouldn't. I wouldn't.
Hey, Dad, by the time I go to college,
You'll wonder how you ever
Joe without it. Don't wait, Mom. It's the next big step in safety. Who's going to go there first?
Someone should.
Someone should help make sure that all the right car parts get to the right place. At GM Purchasing, we do, because our families ride in these cars, too.
There's no money here.
There's no money?
No money.
Where is it?
Somewhere safe.
This is the safe.
Somewhere safer.
Safer? How?
Hardware encryption, smart cards, you know, digital security.
Who are you?
I'm from the help desk. Who are you?
Cleaning crew? This place is a mess. Wand strike. Oh. Spin attack. High block. Magic spell. Underarm attack. Cobra bite.
Restart. Restart.
Tired of waiting for your reward? Now that you can get thank you points with your Citi credit card and for banking at Citibank, you'll get cool stuff sooner.
At Samuel Adams, we do 10,000 beer audits in the course of the year.
We test the temperature. We look at the color.
Bartenders think we're crazy.
They're just looking at the head, looking at everything, and I don't know what they're looking for.
We check the lines in the faucets, and we also go and check Sam Adams' keg dates downstairs. If it's not fresh, we buy it back.
When we have festivals here, we put out-of-code beer in the tank.
People try to throw a ball and dunk him in some old Sam Adams.
I'd rather put people into stale beer than stale beer into people.
There's something of Ireland in all of us. You can hear it in the echoes of ancient castles, in the proud words of warrior poets. You can see it in the smiles of countless new friends. And once you discover it, you'll always know that there's something of Ireland in all of us. Enjoy the warmth of the Irish welcome in cottages and castles. For great fall vacation packages from $459, visit us at shamrock.org or call 1-800-SHAMROCK.
Huh.
The extending Swiffer Dusters, fluffy fibers trap and lock dust wherever it settles.
It's like a dust magnet.
What are you doing?
Wherever dust goes, Swiffer Duster. Go online for a money-saving coupon.
Thank you very much.
Now you can fly American for less than you think every day.
Where are we going?
It's a surprise. We know why you fly. We're American Airlines.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try.
Love your everyday purchases. With Love the Double from Chase.
Just the two of us.
Love them because now they give you double. Double rewards. Double cash back. Double travel points. Double the stuff you love. Love the Double. Only from Chase.
Introducing the new 2006 Cadillac DTS. With an OnStar V8 and the world's fastest reacting suspension system, you are in control. The new Cadillac DTS. Cadillac. Breakthrough.
Get more out of now with Dell. This Dimension desktop with an Intel Pentium 4 processor is only $499. Plus, get a free flat panel upgrade. Notebooks start at $549 after mail-in rebate. And get $250 off Dell entertainment systems, like Dimension 5100 desktops with Intel Pentium 4 processors and Inspiron 6000 notebooks with Intel Pentium M processors. Dell PCs use Intel Pentium 4 processors.
We started it, we're ending it. September 30th is your absolute last day to get Chevy employee pricing for everyone on 05 and 06 Tahoe with best-in-class fuel economy, plus StabiliTrak and OnStar with a 1-year safe and sound plan. A combination Ford Expedition and Toyota Sequoia don't offer. And now get employee pricing on any 2006 Chevy Tahoe. You pay what we pay. See your participating Northwest Chevy dealer today.
Style and quality, two names synonymous with Kubota gas and diesel mowers at Rickreall Farm Supply. Kubota's ZD and ZG0 turn mowers are so user-friendly, anyone can operate them and get beautiful results. Kubota's direct shoot makes collecting and dumping a breeze. Whether you own a farm or a yard, Kubota's ZG and ZD series give you options with 18 to 28 horsepower engines to choose from. Visit Rickreall Farm Supply today for the complete line of Kubota mowers.
Paul McCartney in Red Square is your backstage pass to the music event of a lifetime on DVD for the first time. Includes an exclusive bonus concert from St. Petersburg. To order, call 1-800-708-1776 or shop historychannel.com. Check out what's coming up tonight on Modern Marvels Wednesday here on the History Channel.